Our in-person school year is just beginning, and instead of being thrown pencils and papers, we are getting handed personal protective equipment, or PPE. Now, what exactly does that mean? According to OSHA, PPE is equipment worn to minimize exposure to hazards that cause serious workplace injuries and illnesses. This video is a short review on how to use PPE and the reasons behind it. Masks. The first item you received in your kit was a fabric face mask. Fabric masks are used as a barrier to help prevent the spread of the virus. When wearing a face mask, you should clean your hands before putting it on. This can be done with either traditional soap and water method or hand sanitizer if your hands are not visibly soiled. Ensure the mask is covering your nose, mouth, and chin. Make sure that there are no gaps on the side. Do not touch the mask on the outside once it is in place. When you need to remove the mask, wash your hands before touching it. Remove it by the straps behind the head or ears without touching the front. Pull it away from your face and clean your hands afterwards. Do not use if it is damaged, wet, or dirty. If it becomes contaminated, change it as soon as possible. Wash fabric masks with soap or hot water at least once a day. Reminder: masks should be worn at all times of the day. They can be removed when eating, drinking, or during breaks. If it is a reusable mask, store it in a resealable bag. When pulling it out again, make sure to grab it by the straps. Gloves. Disposable gloves can be worn when you are manually taking temperatures or when directly interacting with a student. Peel the glove away from your body, pulling it inside out, and hold the glove you just removed in your gloved hand. Then, take your fingers, put them at the top of your second cuff, and pull them inside out over the first glove. Take that glove and put it in the trash. Make sure to wash your hands again. Face shields. Face shields are to be used for breaks, or smile breaks, throughout the day. They should only be used during a short period of time. They are not to be used as replacement for face masks. Like masks, they should be removed by the headband and stored in a reusable bag. If they are visibly soiled or damaged, you can replace them with a new one. If you have any questions on how to use your PPE, please contact your building nurse. The reason we share these tips with you today is because if you're not using your PPE correctly, then there is no true point to using it. We want to be the safest we can be, and these are tips to stay happy and healthy while teaching our students at Queen Bee.